Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to analyze interest trends on CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit offers flexible borrowing without selling your assets, but one of the smartest ways to maximize your strategy is by understanding interest rate trends, because even small changes can impact your profits. So first, open any of the web browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down coinrabbit.io and enter it, and go to this My Wallet in the top right. Make sure to log into your account if you already have not. And what you have to do is go to the dashboard in the left, and you can start by observing how interest rates change over time on the CoinRabbit. You can check your past rates, daily or weekly, available as well under this dashboard here, and this helps you predict when borrowing might become expensive or cheaper. You can also compare the different assets here, and the interest rate often depend on the crypto you use as a collateral. You can go to this loan and find a collateral as well. Stable coins versus volatile coins like BTC or ETH and high demand assets usually have higher rates, and if one asset's rate is increasing faster, it may signal higher demand or the risk. In this dashboard, you can monitor your market conditions. Interest trends do not exist in isolation, they follow the broader crypto market. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you how to analyze interest trends on CoinRabbit. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.